Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu. If you're here for the first time, you're welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. Today I'm taking you to Ologolo in Lekki Phase 2. This area is opposite the OSAPA area and before Agungi bus stop. I'm going to be showing you specifically a 4-bedroom detached duplex there, and I'm bringing this to you because a lot of you have been asking me for properties, close to phase 1, and you're not willing to go anywhere after Chevron. So if you have someone like this, or if you're looking for a property close to phase 1, it's about 6.6 kilometers from Lekki Phase 1. So if this is what you like to see, sit, relax, and enjoy this video. And please do me a favor, watch it to the end. This is Ologolo, a popular area on the other side of OSAPA, before Agungi bus stop in Lekki Phase 2, Lagos, Nigeria. So I'm just showing you briefly what the area looks like, the Ologolo Road, before we enter an estate. Also for the estate, I'm not showing you much about the estate, but we are going straight to 4-bedroom detached property. And there are other properties here that I'll also show you, so please stay tuned. The area has interlocked roads with closed drainages on both sides of the road. There are lots of new buildings coming up here. I'm taking you to one of the secure estates in this area, and my focus won't be the estate but the property right here. The road is wide, so if you're one that has been looking for close proximity to Lekki Phase 1 and you don't want to go as far as Chevron or VGC, but you still want a place that is not far from Phase 1, or you know someone that has been looking for property in this area, then this video is for you. Stay tuned and watch it to the end. You need to be cleared by the resident you're going to see before you are granted access into this place. It's a secure estate. This place is just 6.6 kilometers from Phase 1 and 13 kilometers to Victoria Island. Isn't that good? This is a 4-bedroom detached house. It has a remote controlled gate. The compound is interlocked. Nice lights up here. This space can conveniently park 4 cars or more. We're going in through the front door. Nice design. This is the visitor's toilet. The living room. It's quite spacious. The POP is nicely and neatly done. There's a white, platinum and black theme going on here. Let me know if you noticed in the comment section. This is the kitchen. It's fully fitted. Fridge, washing machine, burner, extractor, microwave, oven, cabinet. Open storage space. This door leads to the other side of the house. We can see the back from here. The guest room downstairs. Nice. The restroom. All rooms are in suite. Space. If you have any idea on how to maximize or decorate under this space, please share with us. I'm sure it will come in useful for somebody. Family room. This is the second room we're seeing. The bathroom. You can do what you please when you buy this place. This is our third room. It's a very decent size. This is the master's bedroom and the fourth room we're seeing in this house. This room is quite big. Walk-in closet. The master's bathroom. Let's take a look. Who is coming to get this house and turn it into a home? It's located right here in the heart of Lekki 2. Like I said earlier, if you want close proximity to Lekki Phase 1 and you don't want to go beyond Chevron, please, this place is for you. I like this though. The asking price is 150 million naira. The title is Governor's Consent. If you're interested in getting this property, please go ahead and use the number on the screen to reach out to me. The value of property in this area is fast appreciating. So hurry, this is hot. Please share this video. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching. Bye and see you in my next one. Click here to watch the next video.